What's happening, guys? I'm buicking today again for a while. Just for a while. Just trying to get a simple body side molding on here. And it's not going good. Anyways, because I had to take some of those little tabs off to get these clips on. And the problem is, if you screw these in, the screw sticks out and the molding don't go on. So now I'm modifying screws, see, so that they actually go inside here. So I have to grind the head down so it goes inside here, so I can get the molding on once and for all. And then I'll have to put something on these screws so that they don't, you know, rust. But see, I had to grind it. I just put it in the drill and then spin it and grind it. Now I can put this screw in and then put the clip back in. And then I got one more to go. Man, this molding is really giving me some grief. I'll tell you what. See, so see, yesterday, I don't know if I showed you guys that, where I had to clean these little holes out here, because yeah, I did a video, and then I put some epoxy in here to seal it up. So that was all done and stuff like that. So just gonna sit you guys right here. Don't get mad here, I gotta set it up. Just relax. Relax. Where are we at here? Yeah, see? So I'm gonna get the screw in here. Now I can actually put the screw in and then put the clip on. I don't have to do it together. And I'm putting a little Loctite on the screw to kind of keep it from coming out, if you know what I'm saying. I don't know why this one's so tight here all the time. Okay, let's see. Clipperoo, see? It actually, I can probably tighten it a little more here. Clipperoo right here. And my hammer. Kind of like so, see? Kind of like so. Wiggle it till it snugs up real good, and there you have it. See, the screw is recessed. Oh yeah, let me turn it back around. See, now the screw's slightly recessed here, kind of like these. So, you know, all the stupid little things a guy has to do, it just doesn't end, man. See, I got to do that one now. See, it barely sticks out, but the molding don't go on. So that's the way it goes. One more to go, and I can finally get this damn molding on here. For Pete's sakes, I'm tired of this. All right, talk to you guys in a bit here. All right, see, I got the screw here in the drill bit. And then I take this here and just spin this sucker. Don't have to go full out here, just spin it. And then try it. And it needs a little more. But I think I'm going to turn it because the screw's a little in here. Oblongy. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. See? Oh! Beauties. Now. Now I'm going to go put this on. All right. All right, let's see if this sucker goes on for the final time here. Whoa. Come on. What the hell here? There we go. Come on, you son of a sapsucker. There. Hey, hey, hey. It's on. Holy mo. Well, that didn't take long, did it? Ask me again, why does it take so long to do a restoration, eh? Holy moly. Hello. All right, that's done here. I'm gonna kind of keep going here. I was on the other side last night. Yeah, last night. Trying to get them, just dry fitting all these moldings here. Just to make sure before I goop it all up, because I got to put a bunch of like butyl underneath in between these layers here so it all seals up good. But I got to make sure I'm putting it on right, and then I was, I'm trying to figure out this damn upholstery here. Right here, marking here where all the holes are, there's slots here for the moldings. But the problem is now is I got to get the package tray in, or I'm not sure if I got to get the package tray in or the side panels in first. I think I might have to get the side panels in. I don't know. This is why you got to fit shit in here before you get too crazy, because you might be doing stuff and have to take it all apart, and that would really suck. So one step at a time here. But once I got this side figured out, then the other side will be easier, because, obviously, then I know how to do it, kind of thing. So I just kind of trimmed up the vinyl here, and it's just tucked up inside here, and then there's another molding that kind of goes in here. The interior molding goes from here and wraps around the corner here, like these here. This one's just a test fit one because there's no clips on it. I can actually kind of put it like this, if you know what I'm saying. Actually, yeah, it goes like this. It goes like this, eh? See? And then it kind of goes up inside here, but I'm not going to bother with that right now. But kind of like that, see? So that's how that goes. And then you got these little things here for the seat belt, and I got to make sure I got those in the right position, because once there's a clip right here, but see this one here, yeah, there's one that goes there, so there's a clip in between. I wonder if I got mine done properly here. I better have a look, see. Yeah, no, that's right, see, kind of like that. So that's right. So, yeah, so all this kind of stuff here is, just takes time. And then I noticed here, I need this trim here. And I kind of need this because it goes up inside this piece here. Which, see, I didn't really know that before, right? Until you go to put it back together. When you take it apart, you're just taking it apart. You're not really paying attention too much. So yeah, I'm definitely going to need that before I can get all this tightened up and buttoned up, because I'm probably going to have this a little bit loose here to tuck that molding in there, kind of thing. Yeah. So here I go again, and then I got the package tray cleaned up and sprayed also yesterday. I had to kind of fix what I had because you can't buy this, eh? It's the only thing you can't really buy. And I asked the lady, the upholstery there, and she has no idea where to even get this material here to even make a new one. So I did the best I could. I mean, it looks really good. There's a few waves in it, you know, but once everything is in place, I think it's going to be okay. And then I had some, you know, some tears here I had to fix from the backside yesterday. You don't see this. It's just, you know, just to kind of keep it together. Because this here gets all glued to the back there. And then the seat probably comes about up to here. You know, the top of the seat. So, like I say, you don't really see this here, really. So, anyways. So, yeah, it comes up to here. I can actually see where it ended up here. So, it's just to the top of this. So... who knows, hopefully that's going to be okay. This one here is a little long. The other ones look like going to be okay. But that's the best we can do with this. Yikes! So there you have it, and it's got the holes because we did a flush mount on the speakers on the underneath here. So, because I don't want the covers to be sitting on top of here. Which probably might have helped because it probably might have held this down a little flatter, but... it is what it is. So it just needs to look like it's original. So there you go. So that's done. The next one will be the dash pad, I guess. But I'm not, you know, that's not critical right now. I needed this piece here to get the interior together in the back there. So there you go. Now that molding is finally done, now I can proceed on and keep on motoring here. But it's coming along, this car. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, guys, let me get back to work here, man. All right, talk to you later.